This is the letter I, which makes the I sound. The words pig and wig have the I sound in the middle. Can you hear the I in pig?
This is the letter I. The letter I makes the I sound. Some words like pig have the I sound. In the middle, tap the letter I and the pig to hear the I sound. I.
Pig.
Nice! All of these things have the I sound. In the middle, tap them all and listen to the I sound. In the
Pig.
middle.
Ship. Milk. Pig.
Nice work! Drag the things with the I sound
Lid.
in the middle to hollow.
Crib.
Yay! You found the things with the I sound in the middle. Drag the things with the I sound
Pig.
in the middle to Sandy.
Glue. Glue. Kid.
Yay! You found the things with the I sound